In today's video, I'll show you how to change or add your phone number in the Bybit app with simple steps. If you want to update your number to enhance security or for any other reason, follow these instructions. First, open the Bybit app on your device. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the profile icon in the top corner of the screen. Then, select Security from the Settings menu. Next, look for the mobile option and tap on it. You will be asked to enter your email verification code. Enter it. After that, you will see the option to add a phone number. First, enter your country code, then type in your phone number and verify it using the verification code that will be sent to you. Once completed, your phone number will be successfully updated, and you will receive a confirmation notification. And that's it. You've easily changed or added your phone number on Bybit. Always make sure to enter a valid and accessible number to receive important security notifications.